We're in the woods on a nature walk. I'm wondering, what colors do you see? What do you hear? Isn't it peaceful? We're over here by the brook. This is called the Catacounamung Stream. And it's right next to my house, at the very bottom of the hill. What colors do you see now? Do you see the yellow sand and the green grass and the brown twigs and the orange pine needles? And look right here. It's called a swamp cabbage. I don't think you should eat it though. This right here, this plant is called mountain laurel. And look, I see another color on our color hunt. Do you see it? It's those little red berries. And that's called lichen, growing on this fallen log. And take a look at this. What do you think happened here? That's right. The tree fell down. You want to come take a look at the roots? Gucci does. Oh, and look right here. It's a puddle. Oh, take a look at these roots. That's what the bottom of a tree looks like. Isn't that incredible? All these roots that we don't see when we look at a tree that's standing up, like this one. But underneath, there's all this life. And look, a rock got trapped in the branches. And when the tree fell down, the rock got pulled up. It got caught in the roots. There's so much we can learn when we go on the walk in the woods. Do you hear the sound of the water? Do you think Bucci's gonna go in? Maybe. Look over here. It's almost like a cliff, isn't it? Here's the stream, and over thousands of years, the stream cut down this earth into a cliff. Oh, are you having fun in the water? I see more colors. Yeah. It's those red berries again. And green. Do you know what these are? That's right, they're pine needles. Right there. Did you see that? What's that white stuff? It's foam. That foam comes from tannins in the water. Oh, don't splash me. Yuck. You can see so many colors in the woods. Isn't that incredible? I hope you're having a wonderful day.